Welcome aboard. In this video, I will introduce one of the most important Telegram bots. By using this bot, it's possible to achieve good earnings in the future. Let's get started right away. OKX has announced its own Telegram bot. This news has elevated the OKX bot to one of the most important Telegram bots. OKX is indeed a major exchange with a large user base. This indicates that the OKX Racer Telegram bot is poised to perform well in the future. To access the Telegram bot, you can use the link provided below the video. Additionally, it would be beneficial to have an OKX account since this bot is affiliated with OKX. I'll also leave the referral link for OKX under the video, which benefits both you and me if you use it to avail commission discounts. Now let's look at how the Telegram bot operates. OKX Racer allows you to make price predictions for Bitcoin. If you correctly predict Bitcoin's 5-second movement, you earn points. I'm confident these points will be very useful to us in the future. To predict Bitcoin's direction, you need to use the Moon or Doom buttons. Making consecutive correct predictions earns you points with a multiplier. You have 10 prediction chances, and your rights replenish over time after making predictions. Additionally, in the task section, you have opportunities to replenish your energy daily, increase your level, earn multipliers, and use turbo. Utilizing these options will be advantageous. There's a daily check-in task in the section below. Be sure to complete it for extra points. Also, don't forget to complete the KYC task. I recommend checking the surprises section as well. Complete the tasks here by linking your Telegram account with your OKX account to not miss out on surprises. Completing all tasks is advantageous to avoid missing out on surprises. The invite section allows you to invite your friends. The leaderboard section shows rankings of your friends and others globally. People are starting to earn points, and to earn points yourself, don't delay in using this Telegram bot. Those interested can write their referral links in the comments section. We continue to follow opportunities and prepare for possible airdrop rewards. Hopefully, together we can achieve good earnings. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.